Hi guys, welcome to Modern Art School. In this video, we will learn about the basic drawing skill for preschool going kids. I am Vidushi, your favorite art teacher for the class. So let's get started. Now we'll make a leaf, a curved line, another curved line, another curved line, and the middle part. Then we will add some branches. Here we go, our leaf. Now we can draw moon by using a circle. Let's make a flower, a round and some petals. Here is our flower. We can add leaves too. Now let's draw a bat. Here is our bat. You can add a small ball. Let's draw a glass. For making a glass, we will have to make an ellipse, then straight lines, then another ellipse and some water. Let's draw a mug, an ellipse, two straight lines and a ellipse. Let's draw a handle. So what we draw? A flower, bat and ball, glass with water and a mug.